public service worker nor a thief. My country is a democracy. It's because I invented the idea of critique. You call me Greek, but it's Helene, not Greek, Helene. My name is Katerina, and I am...
Hey, I'm not a public service worker, nor am I lazy. Actually, my country has one of the smallest public sectors in Europe, and I work more hours per year than any other person in the world. Well, except South Koreans maybe. My country is a dictatorship. The mainstream media is controlled by the elite. The justice system controlled by political parties. I cannot protest without the police tear-gassing me. It doesn't matter who I vote for. My country always does whatever the European Union and the local elite wants. But somehow they have me convinced that it's a democracy. Even though that in the last 10 years I've paid 500 billion in debt, they have me convinced that I owe another 500. I invented critique, but somehow I keep repeating whatever I hear on TV. My income has dropped 50%, unemployment went up 20%, children in schools are hungry, people are committing suicide, and still I believe that exiting the Eurozone will be a disaster. I'm easily manipulated and intimidated. I don't blame free market, I blame public sector. I don't blame the banking system, I blame laziness and I blame bad genes. I don't blame globalization, I blame immigrants. They lie to me, I still vote for the same. They steal my life, I still vote for the same. They steal my dreams, I still vote for the same. They serve the elite, I still vote for the same. You call me Greek, but it's Malakas. Not Greek, Malakas. My name is Spiros, and I'm a Malakas!
My name is Katerina, and I am...
Bien loin en arrière, la rage d'avoir grandi trop vite. Quand des adultes volent ton enfance, pas imagine un mur.